Good morning, everyone. I hope the exam is going well. So that's going to be due tomorrow. Um, let's look at what we have next week. So Module 11 is health and body. And for that, for the module itself, you have three readings, sorry. And that's going to be part of your reading journal and your discussion. And then again, you have your exam due tomorrow, and then the social movements assignment, which is ongoing. I hope that everyone has reached out to their group and kind of decided how you're going to separate the tasks. So if anyone is having trouble getting in touch with their group, please email me as soon as possible. And then the last thing that's going to be due is the assignment 11. So for assignment 11, what I want you to read is The Promise and Perils of Public Sociology. So that's the reading. And then here's the link, and we'll go into the assignment in a minute, but here's the link to the where you access podcasts. So this assignment is called Podcasts in Public Sociology. And what you're going to be expected is you're going to go into these office hours, which are all podcasts with different professors, and you're going to listen to one of them, and then you're just going to answer some of these questions. And this is just 30 points, and it's due August 4th. So make sure that you also mention which podcast this was and who was the professor. So make sure I know actually which podcast you're talking about. So other than that, I think that's it for this week. We're almost near the end of the semester, so hang in there. I know there's like a bunch of things due. Reach out if you have any questions. Again, good luck with the exam, good luck with these assignments, and I'll talk to you next week.